Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about plants and gardening. Plants are essential to life on Earth, providing food, oxygen, and habitat for countless species. Gardening is a great way to connect with nature, learn about plants, and create a beautiful space to enjoy. There are over 390,000 known species of plants, and they come in all shapes, sizes, and colors. Some plants are native to certain regions, while others can thrive in a variety of environments. It's important to choose plants that are well suited for your climate, soil type, and sunlight availability. When it comes to gardening, there are many different techniques and styles. Some popular types of gardens include borders, raised beds, and container gardening. Borders provide a visually striking feature, while raised beds and container gardens allow for more flexibility in the layout and easier maintenance. Plants need sunlight, water, and nutrients to grow. Most plants require at least 6 hours of sunlight per day, and it's important to choose plants that will thrive in your specific light conditions. Watering is also crucial, with many plants needing to be watered regularly, while others can tolerate drought. Nutrient-rich soil is also essential for healthy plant growth. You can create your own soil using compost, aged manure, and other organic materials. Alternatively, you can use commercial compost and fertilizer products. Gardening can also have numerous mental health benefits. Tending to a garden requires focus, patience, and a sense of accomplishment. It's a great way to escape from the stresses of daily life and connect with nature. In conclusion, plants and gardening are essential for maintaining a healthy, sustainable environment. With a little patience and creativity, you can create a beautiful, thriving garden that brings joy and fulfillment to your life.